Hi. Today I'd like to show you an interesting case that we got. We had an iPhone 8 that came to us from one of our clients. When we asked them what the problem was, they basically said, exactly said, the phone's not turning on, but they also said it has a flashing Apple logo, and it said it's got garbled videos, which seems like three different problems. So we had to dig a little bit deeper to try and find out exactly what happened. So basically it said the initial problem was when the phone died, they were watching a video and the video kind of got garbled and it wasn't displaying correctly. They turned the phone off, and then when they turned it back on, it was displaying an Apple logo, and on the screen basically we have a white Apple logo and nothing else, and they would turn it on and off, and that's a problem that we refer to as boot loop. It's a pretty common problem due to a variety of different causes, whether it's a operating system or file system kind of problem, or corruption, or it could be a hardware related issue where there is some sort of fault internally on the phone. And then our customer said after they turned it on and off with their white Apple logo, then it just wouldn't turn on anymore and they couldn't charge it, which is basically like a dead phone. They're after their photos and videos, and the good news is in this particular case we're able to recover all the data, copy it to this portable hard drive. We created an iTunes backup and copied all the photos and videos on there. So you can take the iTunes backup and restore it onto a replacement new phone. Let's say you go buy a new iPhone, you can restore it on there, and then you get all your apps and messages and photos and all the history exactly like your old phone. In this particular case, we're able to recover the data for this customer in 2 days, and everything's going back today. We've emailed the customer and they've already paid us. It's getting shipped out the box soon. So I thought I'd give you an example about this iPhone 8 that wouldn't turn on, had a stuck on Apple logo and garbled video problem. Thought it was an interesting one. If you have any questions, please ask. If you have a dead phone, whether it's an iPhone or any other brand, we can help. Over 99% of the time we are successful in recovering data from dead phones, whether it's not turning on or it's been run over by a car or smashed in pieces. There's always a chance we can get your data back. The cost is $650 including GST. We only charge you if we're successful. If we can't help, there's no charge, and we also offer free return delivery, including all around the world and Australia. Please share this video with anyone you know that's lost their photos and videos on their phone, and we'd love to help them out. Thanks.